EKDB16S Series Consumer Unit from ETEK is designed in accordance with BSEN 61439-3, provides a compact, safe, and professional solution for residential and commercial installations. Optimize cable entry points, maximize wiring space, and support effective cable management. Color-coded earth and neutral terminals are positioned at the top for clear identification. A reinforced DIN rail T-bar prevents deformation and maintains alignment. Multiple configurations are supported, including main switch, RCD income, split load, dual RCD, and an integrated Type 2 SPD. Compatible with MCB, RCBOs and AFDD, supporting bidirectional wiring for MCB and RCBO. 6 single-row and 2 double-row enclosures are available, with and without lockable versions. 2 IP65 rated waterproof enclosures in plastic and metal, designed for charging stations. Engineered for safety, built for reliability,